Hi students, so today we will start our class Soil Mechanics ECG243 with some introduction. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rosia Medikaria. I am your lecturer for this subject. My phone number is 011-6064-0290. You may call on WhatsApp from 8 to 5 p.m. Alright. Week 1. Okay, we start with what is OBE. Okay, OBE is stand for outcome-based education. It is a method of curriculum design and teaching that focus on what students can actually do after they are taught. OBE address the key questions as what do you have to learn, why do you have to learn it, how can you learn it, and how will you know what you have to learn. So this is all OBE all about. Just now we're talking about OBE. Now we go for the Program Educational Objective, PEO. Okay, for PEO, we have 4 PEO. First is PEO1, Technical Support Civil Engineers who apply knowledge and practical skills in civil engineering related industry with good competency. PEO2, Technical Support Civil Engineers who apply scientific skills in solving variety civil engineering problem with effective communication. PEO3, Technical Support Civil Engineers who demonstrate good teamwork, social skills, and responsibilities with positive values, ethic, moral, and professionalism. Okay, how about PEO4? Okay, is about technical support civil engineers who lead and demonstrate effective information management, lifelong learning, and entrepreneurial skills. Alright, students, just now we're talking about PEO. Now we're talking about POs. So what is the POs? POs is stand for program outcomes. So what is the outcomes from the program EC110? Okay, if you notice here in this slide, we have PO1, PO2, up to PO12. So we have POs here, and then you may refer to the PO statements. So each PO will give you the different description for PO statement. You may refer this PO statement. Alright, program outcomes for the subject uh, ECG243, we have PO1 and also PO2. So what is the PO1? Apply knowledge of mathematics, natural science, engineering fundamentals, and an engineering specialization to wide practical procedures and practice. Alright, so PO2 is identify and analyze well-defined engineering problems, reaching substantiated conclusion using codified methods of analysis specific to their field of activity. Okay, we have the program outcomes. So now we are going to course outcomes. So for this subject, we have two course outcomes. First is CO1 and second is CO2. CO1 is apply physical and engineering properties knowledge to wide application of soil mechanics. CO2 evaluate soil behavior including flow of water through soil, shear strength, compaction, and consolidation from the standpoint of effective stress concept. So, to mapping CO and PO, you will see here, we map CO1 to PO1, CO2 to PO2. Okay, so for soil mechanics, the subject, we have four topics. First topic is physical properties and classification of soil. Second topic, flows of water through soil. Topic number 3, shear strength of soil. And the last topic is soil compaction and consolidation. And you may refer to the lesson plan about all of these topics. The topic will cover between about 14 weeks. Okay, we are going to cover 4 topics for 14 weeks. All right, look at this. This is assessment. Okay, assessment. Since we are facing COVID-19, so the assessment is quite different. Before this, we have assignment, quiz, and final exam. Assignment quiz is about 40%, and then we have final exam 60%. But since we are dealing with the COVID and we are facing a hard time, so we have to do everything uh, based on online. So we are going to change the assessment. Okay, first assignment, this is individual assignment, is 30%, and then we have quiz 10%, and then we have test 1, replace final exam, is about 80%, and we have test 2, replace final exam, is about 42%. So the total assessment is 100%. The pass marks is 50%. Okay, now if you see here, we have 4 assessment. First is test 1. Okay, this one is we replace the final exam. Okay, this one is 80%. It's conducted on week 5 on 13 November 2021, Saturday. It's about an hour time to answer, and then you have 15-minute time to upload. It will cover topic 1. And then we're going to have assignment. This one is individual assignment, 30%. So it's conducted on week 9, 13 December 2021, Monday to Sunday, or for Pasir Gudang, Sunday to Saturday. It's 2 weeks. It covers topic 1 and topic 2. And then we're going to have the quiz. Okay, for the quiz is 10%, week 13, date 21 January 2022, Friday. Alright, this one is 45 minutes, multiple choices. Okay, the time taken is about 45 minutes. It will cover topic 3. And then we have a last one, test 2, replace final exam. Okay, this one is 42%. This one is final assessment, will be announced by HEA. So the time, the date, it will be announced later. And then the time is about 2 hours. Okay, it will cover chapter 2, 3, and also 4. Alright, so here is the recommendation book. Okay, the book recommended is Das BM and Sobhan K 2017, Principles of Technical Engineering, 9th edition. Okay, you may also have the references, other references from DAS, Advanced Soil Mechanics. This one is all the other references, and then also you can refer to the Whitlow, Basic Soil Mechanics for edition Prentice Hall. This one is all the recommended textbook and also references that you may refer for this subject. Okay, for all the students, you have to know and remember that attendance is important. Even though we are conducting the online class, the attendance is taken into consideration for everything. So, another one is you have to answer the diagnostic test, entrance survey, exit survey, and also SUFO. Alright, this one is very important. So you cannot avoid to answer all of this for tasks. Alright, tips for this subject to pass and to be an excellent student. First is do the tutorial. We have one slot tutorial an hour per week, and then you have to do previous final exam questions, and then you also may refer to the example in the references book. Okay, from the Whitlow book, from the DAS book, and so on. Okay, the most important thing is you know that practice makes perfect. And last but is not least, you have to remember that this subject is prerequisite for soil laboratory part 4 and soil engineering part 5. So means that if you not pass 50% for this subject, you cannot take the soil laboratory or soil engineering. So this subject is very important for you to pass, at least pass. Okay, student, thank you to all of you, and thank you to Dr. Rahaya for the slides. Alright, so good luck for this semester. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.